The instruction manual comes in few different languages: English, German, Italian, French, and Spanish, because this is within Europe. The red paper gives you instructions for first time use when you get it from the manufacturer. Before the initial startup, we have to remove the transport locking device. This is how you do it. Hold the chute with one hand and turn the hopper in anti-clockwise direction with the other hand. Remove the hopper. It is normal that some strength is required for this process. Then the transport locking device can now be removed by pulling on the red tag. After that, you place back the hopper onto the mill by turning this in the clockwise direction until you feel a strong resistance. At this point, turn the hopper anti-clockwise until the black dot is above the scale number 1. Now the mill is ready for use, but first read all the operating instructions.
Makes funny noise, but that's normal. You have to go back here till the number 1. So in this way the stones are not fully touching, they're slightly a little bit. So first we plug in the power. Here they kindly gave us a Swiss plug because usually there is a European or German plug. So this is place the ball below the outlet. And then switch on the mill first, which is...
So since it has come direct from the manufacturer, there may be some dust in the stones.
Yes.
That is advisable first to season it with a little bit of rice. Yeah. So I've just used plain raw rice, not parboiled rice, because parboiled rice has oil content in it.
First time, great. Then we put the strength in rice. We have to go down to 1 till 0.
Yeah, that's it.
1. Then I put the grain.
And we cannot use this rice. Now I will be grinding some spelt. The finer you grind, the longer it takes. We are going to try with 2.